that's a tornado. Big one.
I've been watching.
Oh, really? No, it's already tornado warned, confirmed, obviously. Yeah, it's really rotating too. I've seen probably 3 tornadoes so far today. Down west of Omaha, one went through. Yeah, one went through western suburbs, and then there was one on the northern side. I was on a storm up there, but I'm coming down here to see this thing. That is nasty.
Be safe.
Yeah, you too. It's coming this way, so
Yeah.
you safe way would just to go that way.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the.
Okay. Okay, sounds good.
Be safe.
You too. It's coming right at us. It's coming right at us. It's about 10 miles. It's moving 40 miles an hour,
Yeah.
so.
So down there is Minden.
Yep.
That's huge.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Be safe,
I
man.
will.
All right. Let's get a report really quickly. Looking south from Tennant. Is it Tennant, Iowa? How do you spell this? T-N-A. Iowa. Wedge tornado. Hashtag IWX at NWS Omaha at NWS Des Moines. Oh my god, look at that thing! Okay, it's coming right at us. Our escape route is that way. Yeah, we're just gonna stay right here. That is a huge tornado. Holy shit. Just taking some wide angle shots with this guy's car in front of us. Taking all kinds of shots from different angles. All right. It's coming right at us. All right, we have a, let's find our escape route really quickly. I think we can go east on this road. It looks like it goes south a little bit, so we gotta note that. We can go east on a paved road here, so, all right. It hasn't moved east. All right, let's take a couple more photos and then make sure no raindrops on my camera. Oh, there's a secondary. There's a satellite on the right side. Look at those soft vortices in there. A couple more photos ongoing. Oh my god, I can't focus. Alright, we're going east. Get the this thing's way. There is a paved road that goes east. refresh my report sent really quickly. Yep, it's gone. I've never seen a tornado like that. That's insane. Right. It can make a right turn, so just gotta be careful of that. Beautiful tornado. Scary tornado. Holy shit. Alright. I think I'm going to stop at this intersection right here and then keep watching it. But our escape route is this way. We just got to get the out of this thing's way. I think I left a little bit early, but I'm not playing around with this. I am not playing around with this thing at all. I don't know why I honked at that guy. The other guy probably knows what he's doing. Oh my god. That thing is still going. Alright, can we stop right here? Yeah, let's stop right here. I don't think we're in the path anymore, but if we need to, we can turn around. Let's just double check I can do that. I don't want to get stuck in this dirt. Yeah. Alright. Report is sent. What are we? We're about 10 miles still. I think I left a little early, but I'm not playing around with this thing. Hell no. Look at that thing go. It's rain, too much rain. I might go south here. How far does this road go? I'm gonna go south here. Oh, is it lifting? It looks like dirt, so, or it looks like gravel, so I think we'll be safe on this road. I just want to get out of the rain. We got a direction of movement. Still moving right at us. Do we want to go south here? No, I think we want to stay to that dirt now. We'll be fine, we'll be fine, we'll be fine. We just got to be able to, we just need to make sure we can go east. Yeah, we can go east here, but we can't go that much farther east, so they're issuing a weather emergency on this thing. Ooh, it's a cone now. Okay. I think we're out of the rain, too. Oh, look at that! Our escape route is going back north and then east. This way! Get inside now. Oh, those people better get inside. Okay, it's still on the ground. It's still on the ground. It's coming this way! It's coming this way! Okay, well. We gotta go that way. Make sure we're still recording. Yes, we are. Can we see that thing from here still? Probably. It just hit some house or built or something back there. Oh my god, these winds are, oh my goodness. I've never felt inflow like this. I'm never reporting strong inflow unless I feel like this ever again. I have never experienced something like this in my life. That's insane. It's still on the ground too. I think it's just not condensing. All right, let's stop at this hill right here. I think it's gonna go to our west from here. It's getting close. Let's get up to that actually, not that next hill actually. Oh my god. That is next level, just insane. I've never ever in my entire life. I mean, I saw Palmer and that was crazy, but that was just absurd. How much motion that thing had. The twin vortices too. All right, I think I can turn around right here. Oh, it's still on the ground too. Oh my god, it's gonna hit that house that we just went by. Okay, we don't have to turn around. We can just stop right here. Signal's on. Alright, we're out of the rain at least. Seeing some shooting. Oh my goodness. Make sure I don't lock myself in the car on me. Let me unlock it. quickly take one report. Really quickly. Yep. Do you think it went, I think it went closer to us in the town. It looks like there's not much damage there.
I don't want to go between.
Yeah. Okay, we're fine. Okay, I think the town's fine. It looks like there's not much damage there. I hope it went closer to us than through the town. Oh my God.